I introduce to you some 豆汁儿。Trust me, you can drink it.
Tastes a little bit like human fart smells, you know.
能播吗这个？
我以为臭脚丫子味儿呢。
Hello, I'm Shanny. Welcome to my yummy planet. And today, very welcome, Matthias from Norway. Good Chinese.
Today we are doing a little hutong safari, going around here for the dirty coffee shops.
Actually, it's not the dirty shop. It's a coffee shop hidden in hutong, where people can buy dirty coffee. Yeah.
Dirty coffee.
Yeah.
I don't know what dirty coffee is. Do you know what dirty coffee is? I don't know.
Don't tell him. And let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Here is the coffee shop. Hiding in the hutong. Hi, Matthias. Hi. Come. No, here. Yeah.
Come.
北京孩子 and a snowman. So cute.
It's a beauty of the snowman.
If I do not bring you here, you will never find it.
That is true. I would never find it. So let's go into coffee shop.
您好，你好。
你好。
我们那个就是种草您家咖啡厅很久了，正好带着我们的挪威朋友一起来打个卡，看个店。
挪威来的。
对，挪威来的。
我所有那个。
我叫 Matthias.
马蒂亚斯。
Matthias.
老马。
老马。
哎 ，your Beijing name. 老马。
Because your name is Matthias.
Yes.
Yes, he give you a Beijing name. 老马 means old 马。
Old ma.
Yeah.
Old 马
So
yes.
Beijing, so Beijing.
Perfect. I'll be Lama.
I teach you some so Beijing food. So Beijing drink. 对。
I'll be 学生 you be 老师。
Yeah. I introduce to you some 豆汁儿。
豆汁儿 Do you know 豆汁儿
No, I don't know.
It's from bean, green bean, fermented green bean. You can smell the but drink so good. It's for your health. So good. so good. This 豆汁儿啊 I make it to coffee, beer,
Yeah.
and ice cream. All for you. All for you.
Very good.
Yeah.
谢谢你 That's the deal. I'm sold. Perfect.
First, I will give you 豆汁儿 beer. 豆汁儿 beer is a little 豆汁儿 more beer. Maybe you can test it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jinglish is so good. Jinglish means English with a Beijing accent.
I'm Beijing people.
Baby.
International friend.
Yes.
Yeah.
行为。
豆汁儿 beer.
哦呦呦。
豆汁
Smell
儿
it. Smell it.
Smells like one of the vegetables we have for Christmas in Norway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's the name of the vegetable?
Norwegian is called, let me see, it's called kohlrabi. Let me do translate.
哎呦，我也来点儿。这就是
It smells like 大头菜。
大头菜。他说他闻着这个味儿有点大头菜，是不是咱们的撇了？
咸菜。
咸菜。
对，咸菜。
对，那大头菜。
就是撇了十字花科。
对，撇了。
对。
通了。哎呀 ，culture connection，yeah，我真的是，我虽然喝了这么多豆汁儿，从来没想过豆汁儿那味儿跟大头菜像，还真的
也有一点，
有一点，确实有一点。
How do you feel?
Good. I feel very good. I feel strong. Very good.
Very good.
Very good, I would say. Very interesting.
Which part is good?
No, especially since this tastes like Norwegian Christmas.
Oh.
This, in China, big, I love China. Everything is perfect. But the one thing that I miss sometimes is Christmas, We don't celebrate Christmas in China, so I miss Christmas in Norway. And what I miss most about Christmas is the food, the Norwegian Christmas food. And this beer is the closest I've been to Norwegian Christmas food.
Wow!
It's my honor. It's my honor.
说感动了。
Thank you.
Yeah. So, I will get you 豆汁儿 coffee.
The second set. So cheers.
干杯。
干杯，亲亲。
豆汁儿 coffee.
豆汁儿 coffee.
This is like pure 豆汁儿.
Pure 豆汁儿.
Yeah, like pure 豆汁儿. And this is 焦圈儿.
胶圈儿。
焦圈儿 This food together.
Coffee and this together.
Yeah. Trust me, you can drink it.
什么味儿啊？不行，我也点一杯。老板能给我做一杯吗
Strong taste. Very. Let me have one.
？Strong taste. What kind of strong?
Oh. Very special taste. It's like a mixture between a liquor and coffee. I don't know what it's completely foreign. I've never tasted. This is the weirdest thing I've tasted in China so far. I was having eating a whole bag full of duck tongues the other day, and this is that was nothing compared to this. This was very weird. This was the taste was very new. Why is it dirty coffee?
The dirty coffee, the name came from Hong Kong. The milk on the bottom and the espresso on the top.
Okay.
A cold milk with the espresso, and they did not mix them together. When the color of espresso and the color of the milk mix together, and it seems a little bit dirty. That calls dirty coffee. Deep fried 焦圈儿。
来，您的。
哎，好嘞，谢谢谢谢。这是一套餐是吧？
对。
我真是太好奇了。
开那盖儿就行。
哎呦呀，这味儿啊，比这啤酒还冲！我天哪，这放多少豆汁儿啊？
纯豆汁儿。
纯豆汁儿。
纯豆汁儿跟escapade
double espresso。
double。
double espresso with 豆汁儿。
尝尝吧。
尝尝吧。所以他就把传统的 dirty 的那个冰博克牛奶换成了豆汁儿了。
原来 dirty 叫博克呀。
用那牛奶就是冰博克。
嗯。
对对对，它是那种浓缩牛
奶。
哎，好嘞。
还得做心理按摩。
对对对对，被您发现了。嗯。
Didn't like.
哎呦，一喝一个不吱声，我天哪！
你就喝吧，真的。
北京味道对您来说是什么呀？
这就是我从小生活的一个记忆。我就在这边长大的，这些都是我生活的一部分。我只是把生活的很浓烈的一部分带到了店里。
哎呦，真是够浓烈的。但是我发现这个咖啡喝第一口特别冲，根本咽不下去。第二口，哎，好像能咽下去。第三口就更顺了，爱上了，真的。
Tastes a little bit like human fart smells, you know.
能播吗？这个这儿有点屁味儿啊！
我以为臭脚丫子味儿呢，屁味还
行。
不过其实说实在的啊，如果是对豆汁儿不反感的，其实还可以。Yeah.
The last one.
Yeah.
豆汁儿 ice cream.
豆汁儿 ice cream.
This one was really good too. Really good.
Yeah. 焦圈 is the best friend of 豆汁儿。
Quite good.
Oh, quite good.
Yeah, quite good.
嗯，这还行。
更多的是绿豆味儿，对吧？
哎，对，有点是像那个小豆冰棍儿的那个味儿，是吧？
有那么一点儿。
啊。
你看这老马肯定是饿了。
对。
So good.
爱上了焦圈儿，哎，这我觉得世界上就没有人能拒绝油炸。
With this pure 豆汁儿，豆汁儿sauce。
Do you want to taste the pure 豆汁儿
Okay, Gambe.
哎呦
Get in.
Get in.
Yeah.
Get in.
Get in. One, 2, 3.
快点，麻溜的。
呀啊，我还有啊，哎。
What's up with you? You're a pussy. You're a food vlogger. You can't take the doja. This is a traditional Beijing.
Yeah, I can.
Don't make a face.
就是一个地道。哎呦我天哪，真的 so strong.
Very good, very nice. This I like the doja.
He is a local here. Yeah.
Yes.
In the hutong.
You must love Beijing, right?
I love Beijing.
Everyone love 豆汁儿 love Beijing.
Yes.
It's the same thing.
And he is an artist. An artist. Yeah. A painter.
A painter.
Yeah.
It's me.
Yes.
This is. Everything is just play. You drink that 豆汁儿 beer. Just play. Just for fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pin this for fun.
I see. Very
Open
good.
this shop for fun.
Life is for fun.
Yeah, of course.
哎，有没有还有其他的推荐呀？
Do you eat the Beijing food, 汤葫芦?
No, I haven't tried it.
I have a beer tastes like this. Do you want to drink?
Hold it. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
You eat this all first.
Shanny.
Then you drink this. You will feel.
哇，好好喝哦！
Whoa.
太好喝了耶！天啊！在刚才经历了这些豆汁儿套餐以后，我觉得这个大红果啤酒真的是人间美味啊！你用的啤酒是什么啤酒？
就是自酿的。
酿酒的时候就把山楂放进去的那种。
只有豆汁儿是红
啊。
得保证豆汁儿的新鲜。
好。
You make this yourself?
Yeah.
You make this?
Yeah.
Best beer I've had in China.
This
is
Thank you.
Really good. Delicious.
Is there any must-do things in Norway during the New Year time?
Must-do things. You go to the Christmas market, have some delicious snacks. You go maybe eat some sausage, you eat some waffles, you have some hot wine. Also, you probably dance around the Christmas tree. But we do this Christmas tables through, from late November to until Christmas. It's a very big part.
And after Christmas, how about the New Year?
First and foremost, so like on New Year's Eve, you do like basically what you do on Halloween. You do for New Year's. So you dress up and you go and knock on people's door. People have candy for you.
Oh.
So this is what you do. If, as a kid you do this. It's a big thing for kids, New Year's. And for grown-ups, it's a party evening where like everybody goes to a party.
And the surprise is coming.
Okay, amazing.
I hear you miss our home, right?
I miss my home.
Home.
Of course.
This. Hot red wine.
Oh, hot red wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shanny. Thank you very much.
Look.
She tell me that.
Yeah.
The secret.
Thank you, thank you.
Don't tell her.
In Norway it's called gløgg, and this is a thing that we only drink for Christmas.
Try it.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Tastes like home?
Yes, you taste of home, yeah.
This one is from French. From Lyon.
Good surprise.
My pleasure. You come here, my pleasure. International 嘛
International.
International friend shape.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Everything that you've been serving here is amazing. Good stuff.
It's the happy ending, right?
This is a happy ending.
And my last question.
Yeah.
Do Norwegian people drink hot water? Why?
We actually do the same in Norway, but we just wait until you are sick. So in Norway, you never drink warm drinks before you are sick. But if you are sick, then everybody is, you need something hot to drink. But in China, you do this before. Like you do drink warm things so you don't get sick. So now I realized when she said this, I realized this is the way. This is the way. And then I've been switching. So now I'm working around. I'm doing full Chinese. In school and university, you have this when you go to fill water on your bottle. You have like the Chinese, that is the hot one, and then you have like the white boy, the international one, which is the cold one. Now I'm always in the Chinese water, getting my water, getting the boiling water.
Yes.
So I feel good.
And at the end of this episode, I want to ask, what is your New Year wishes in 2024?
In Beijing, learning about China, learning about the culture, learning about the people is one of the most useful things I've done in my life. So next year, I'm going to just keep on learning about the world. I learn about China, I learn about anything, other things.
If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. I'm Yummy Shanny, and this is my Yummy Planet, and this is Matthias from Norway, and we're spend a very good time in Beijing Haizi in this coffee shop. And thank you very much. Yeah, this is the boss, Chang Xiaoliang. Yeah. Bye bye. See you next time.